Hello everybody, my name is Angela Bond and this is Plum Publishing. I have a concert tip for you today, and that is when they self-evaluate themselves. So a way to work in self-evaluation, and I also have something that is down below, a link where you could get some form for them to sign out and reflect upon everything. But if you want to just do it spur of the moment, you could ask them, right? Okay, what dynamic is it in this place? What dynamic is it in that place? And at the very end of the song, after you've done performing, to remind them about the words that you used during the year. So you could say, what is dynamic? And they could say, oh, it's louder soft. And you could either reward them for that, or if you don't have the time because it's concert season, that could be your evaluation of them, right? What they learned that word. And then say, okay, so what dynamic was it in the end? And then they say loud, and then, or forte, right? And then you have an evaluation. And so they can self-analyze themselves. They can work it out with themselves by directing these questions, so that they're saying, well, you could also extend that if they aren't loud, say, were we as loud as we could be without using our screaming voices? And then they can tell you, respond to that and say, no, we could be louder. I said, okay, well, next time you can try it a little bit louder, right? Let's try and then use another term, forte this time instead of mezzo forte. And so you're teaching the class, but also getting ready for the concert, and you're teaching them how to self-evaluate. So I hope this helps. And if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. And you can look at my website, plum-rose-publishing.com, or my Amazon store in the link below. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful concert season. Bye.